Hello, my name's Charles Lastic. I'm the Managing Director of Blue Bond Tax Planning. I've been helping clients avoid inheritance tax for more than 18 years, and this video relates to the subject of grandchildren paying 64% inheritance tax rather than 40%. So how does that arise and how does that work? So welcome back, and as I say, this video is around grandchildren paying 64% rather than 40%, and how does that work? Well, very simply, if you die having not done sufficient inheritance tax planning early enough, or you are unlucky enough to die in an accident much earlier than expected, then effectively your estate will pay 40% of whatever's over the allowances that are available to you, your nil rate band allowances and your residential nil rate band allowances and any other gifts, etc. So that's a calculation that's made, and 40% tax is payable on the estate that is liable for the inheritance tax. But of course, then the money goes down to your children, and let's say your children also have quite high estates, which often happens, then they would then pay inheritance tax on the same money again. So it's taxed at 40%, but it leaves the first person's estate. It then gets taxed at that money that's left, then gets taxed at 40% again before it goes to the grandchildren. Therefore, the rate on the grandchildren is 64%. So that's how it works. This can be avoided very, very simply by making sure that when you die, your assets all go to trusts, and then certainly the 40% would still be payable if you've not done the planning in sufficient time, but then the money is loaned out to your children. It doesn't belong to them on their death. It's paid back to the trust. So if the trust lends them 1 million and then on their death 1 million is paid back to the trust, it never belonged to your children. Therefore, inheritance tax on that 1 million is not payable by your grandchildren, thus meaning the 64% tax rate is not applicable to them. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. If you want to know more, then watch some of our estate planning videos on our website. But thanks for listening, and bye for now. Bye.